Oh, okay, so it's over here. That's where I had to be. Oh, Stage had hit me with the box. That hurt. Why you hit me with the box? Stage hand.
What's your name?
I don't have a name right now.
This is a
Are
demonstration
you a farmer?
of Wirecast.
No, I'm not very farmer. I just have an accent, that's all.
Really?
Why? You don't like my accent? My accent is pretty good. Oh, you're wrecking the cardboard. Why do you wreck the cardboard? Oh, listen to that. Listen, everyone, listen to this. You hear that?
Very good.
That's
Very good.
This is a demonstration
Tastes like
of Wirecast.
paper.
Tastes like paper, eh? The cardboard. Shouldn't be licking the cardboard though.
Well,
That's not very natural.
how do you
should be
taste?
like eating hair.
How do you taste?
I don't think we want to know.
I do.
You do?
Yep.
Mm, uh, fine. I guess you could find out.
Okay, get over here.
This is a
That's
demonstration
very
of
wrong.
Wirecast.
Come on, get a little closer.
I am very freaking gross. Oh, this is so wrong. Oh, oh.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No,
Come on.
I think I need an adult.
Come on, open your mouth.
Fine.
Gotta try. Gotta try something once.
God, drowning in saliva.
I like it.
Is a demonstration of Wirecast.
You will lick it?
Yep. So good.
Ah, that I felt wrong.
No.
I feel defiled.
No. Just a friendly licking.
No, that was not good. One sec. Be right back.
Oh. Hi.
Alright. I'm back.
Yay.
I need to adjust something. You look very derpy.
This is a
Oh no.
demonstration of
That's my
Look at
natural
dog.
look.
Your tongue is all derpy.
I'm not derpy.
You're derpy.
I'm Patty.
Patty?
Patty the cow.
Do you pay patty cake?
Nope.
No patty cake.
Nope.
But your name is Patty.
Patty the cow.
Patty the cow?
Yep. So
I think you should learn how to play patty cake.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Does it have anything to do?
This is a
with
demonstration
a tongue.
of Wirecast.
No. Nothing to do with the tongue. You play patty cake with your paws.
But-
well, in your case, hooves.
I don't. But
You have hooves. Yes.
oh,
Your little stubby things.
oh,
They're
Okay.
hooves.
those things down there.
Yes. Let's play patty cake. Let's see how this looks.
Cow.
Let's play. You just go like left paw, right paw, center paw.
This
Like,
is a
both of them together.
demonstration of Wirecast.
That's how you do patty cake.
Oh,
So let's try. Let's try to play patty cake. Okay? So
okay.
left. Oh, this is very hard. Left.
Ugh.
Left.
What?
Okay, this is not going to work.
No,
It's,
no.
It's
Nope.
very hard to move my paw in upward direction.
I don't have
Wait.
paws.
Let me get my partner. My partner could help with playing patty cake.
This
One
is a
sec.
demonstration of Wirecast.
Hey,
Ooh,
they told me we want to play patty cake. Let's play
Yeah.
patty cake. Okay,
I'm Patty.
ready?
The cow.
Left.
Oh,
This is a demonstration of
Not the
Wirecast.
tongue.
nope.
Not the tongue.
What?
With the hoof.
I don't have hooves.
What? Why do you not have hooves? We could play patty cake.
No hooves.
Look. left, right, center. No?
Nope.
Ah, you're useless.
No, I'm not. I'm Patty the cow.
Pa- Well, I'm like, I
This is a
forgot what my name
demonstration
is.
of Wirecast.
You were, yeah, well, what,
Derp? No, it
no.
wasn't Derpy.
No, it started with an E.
E.
Epi,
Epi,
Epi.
yeah.
Epi the leper.
Because my arms, look.
Yep.
Ah, arms.
Oh, very impressive.
It's a disorder.
No, they look great.
It's great.
Yep.
It's
At least
not
according
even,
to me.
I can't even take them
This is a
down.
demonstration of Wirecast.
It's
They're
okay.
always stuck in the opposition.
But I don't have any arms.
Look, I can do this. Hands up.
Yep. Freeze.
Ah,
Freeze.
don't shoot.
Nope.
Don't shoot. What? Now I'm covering the mouth. You can't see what I'm seeing right
Nope.
now.
Nope.
I
Don't
can be
know.
saying anything I want.
Nope. I don't know what you're saying.
Wait, let me get my friend back. Let me get my friend back.
Nope.
Be right back.
Okay.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast. This is a demonstration
All right,
of Wirecast.
I'm back.
You're back.
You know what? You know what you sound like?
What?
You sound like Marge Simpson.
Who?
Marge Simpson.
No idea who that is.
Don't you ever watch The Simpsons?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
You sound like it. You even make that sound.
What?
Yeah. Exactly. That sound.
That's
Do it again. Do it again. Audience, you know what I'm talking about, all right?
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Patty the cow.
Patty. You can't even play patty cake. What kind of cow does not even play patty cake?
Well, that's not what cows do.
What's up with your arm?
What?
Your arm.
I don't have an arm.
Oh, it's just a lump.
What?
It looks like your arm's like being folded back. Like right there.
No.
Right there.
No. No arm.
Maybe I should
This
put
is
you
a
down.
demonstration of Wirecast.
No.
Very tasty.
No.
Yes.
I'm not.
Mmm. This is a good idea.
No.
Yes.
You wouldn't.
Maybe I should find out how you taste. Maybe just take a little chunk out.
No.
Maybe like right about there. Not there. Yeah. No.
Stop it. Stop.
Get back here. Get.
No.
Ah.
Help. Help.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Tastes like chicken. McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.